Nah, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making chicken donuts. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of plain breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes, 1/2 tablespoon of sea salt, 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, vegetable oil for frying, 1 pound of ground chicken, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 2 eggs for egg wash. Okay guys, in a bowl we're going to mix our seasonings together. Your onion powder, your garlic powder, ground black pepper, sea salt, parsley flakes, and also smoked paprika. You just want to mix it until it's well combined. To a bowl, you want to add your ground chicken. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our seasoning in. And guys, you can use about half of that mixture and put the other half to the side so we can season our breadcrumbs. Okay guys, now you want to make sure your hands are clean, and we're just going to go in and mix our ground chicken and seasoning until well combined. Once you're done, we're going to get a baking sheet and we're going to line it with parchment paper. And all you want to do is form medium-sized balls with your ground chicken. Okay guys, once you've done that, all you want to do is put your finger down into the ground chicken all the way down, and you just want to make a hole. Okay guys, once you've done that, all you do is shape your ground chicken into a donut. You can stretch it a little bit wider, and we're going to place these in our refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Okay, now you can get your breadcrumbs and just put the remaining of the seasoning in and mix it together until it's well combined. Okay, now we're going to take one of our chicken donuts and we're going to place it into the flour. Then you want to place it into the egg wash and make sure that it's covered all the way. After the egg wash, you want to place it into your breadcrumbs and coat it and sit it back onto your baking sheet. And you're going to repeat the process for the rest of your chicken donuts. Next, in the pan, you want to place your vegetable oil and you want to bring it to temperature. Once your oil has come to temperature, now you want to place your chicken donuts into the pan, and we're going to cook them until they're golden brown. Once they're done, you can go ahead and remove them. This is my second batch. Okay guys, I'm going to get ready to plate them. I already tasted one of them and they're so good. Okay guys, so here we have it. Our chicken donuts. And you can put barbecue sauce or ranch or whatever sauce you would like on the side with them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.